origami paper cranes. What you're going to need is one piece of square origami paper and your hands. So if you look down here, I have my paper and I'm going to turn it over so the white side's up and then it's kind of in the diamond shape towards me. Then I'm just going to fold it down. And crease it with my fingernail. Then unfold it. Then I'm going to rotate it once. So the line is going up and down. I'm going to do the same thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold it and I'm going to have it so it is just a regular square out in front of me. The creases are diagonal in an X, and I'm gonna fold it down and crease it one more time. It should be in a rectangle shape. Crease and fold, and then I'm gonna rotate it once so that line, its crease is pointing up and down. I'm gonna do the same thing. Now what I'm gonna do, you see, if I turn it so it's in a diamond in front of me again, you can see that there's little diamonds like all around here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to fold it in half, and I am going to kind of put this part so like this kind of goes there, and then this folds down. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to fold it over once right here, crease it, unfold, again on this side, crease, unfold, turn it over, crease, unfold, on the other side, crease, unfold. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see like this kind of comes up in a flap right here. I'm going to pull it, open it kind of like that. And you can see the creases here, right there. I can kind of fold them inside. Make sure you're right along the creases. So it kind of gets folded inside. Same on the other side. I'm just going to fold this down. Give a nice press. And then I'm going to unfold it. It should have this longish diamond shape. Then I'm going to turn it over and do the same right here. Now what I'm gonna is, if you see there's kind of like a little like book kind of flap there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna half fold that over so it meets at the center. Go do the same on this side. And I'm gonna turn it over and do the same again. Then if you see there are kind of two little legs here, I am going to fold over the book flap here, like right here, and I am just going to pull this up. It should stop kind of in the middle, and don't pull it up any higher than that because it will rip. I'm going to fold that back. Make sure when you fold it back down, it is right in the center. On this side, over, top. They should stop at the same place. Don't pull any higher, as it will rip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pull this out so it lines right up with the edge right there. Now I have my head and my tail of my crane. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of fold this part down and squeeze it tight. That will be the head of my crane. And then what I do next is I am going to fold down the wings. If you see that little part where there's a corner right there, they should just be folded down to there. Or you can kind of see a little triangle peeking out right there from underneath. And I can do the same on the other side. You don't want them to both be folded down at the same place. And now I can spread out my rings. And I have some super cute origami paper cranes. Thanks for watching.